Alright, this customer wants a new threshold. This is very common with the rubber top thresholds. You want the bottom of the door to be resting right over the threshold. You don't want the bottom of the door here or here. They've got this groove here, and they come with these strips of rubber that you can work into the groove. You can squeeze them in there. Now here's how I mark the hole. I got a thin masonry bit. I'm just going to put it in there and drill just to make a mark in the concrete. Then I can remove the threshold and drill my holes. Keep a little bit of water there. Now drill a little bit and then put the drill bit in the water to cool it down. And that preserves your drill bits and makes them work a lot better. And then I'm going to use these plastic. And see, this shoe is adjustable. See where the holes are right here? So we could move this thing and the bottom of your door. So we need to cut, at least a 1/4 inch off this door in order to make this shoe fit. You don't want to cut it with the rubber piece in place because sometimes that thing can get it. We'll test fit it on there, see how it looks. And it fits perfectly. Look at that. So I get it to the end, I push the thing in, and now I just let it drop down. So it's all resting evenly on the threshold. So it's a perfect seal. Screw it in. You can feel it and hear it. It's a perfect seal. Boom.